Happy frog.
Happy frog. They green frog live in a big tree. On Friday, the drive the
Their truck.
their truck to the back
Park.
park. They bring
Drink. Lots
a
of
load of food and plate. Some frog drum and some
some flocks swim.
They hop in the grass and play on the
slide on
Saturday
or
the grove
flocks
frog
flocks หลายตัว
or the grove sleep late
8 to 8
late
late
drive
Yeah.
pair park Saturday late bring or It's Saturday. The kids go to the play
ภาคก่อน
park
แล้วค่อย play and
play. She like to go.
she ตั้งปากขึ้นมา she ไม่ใช่
she likes to go on the slide. He likes to take a truck to ride. They eat on the blanket on the grass
เป็น grass ก็ได้หรือเป็น grass ก็ได้แต่ไม่ใช่ grass นะ
grass. He has a plate. He has a grass.
she อันนี้เป็น she
She has a grass. Mom and Dad, can you see the bride under the big green tree?